What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 4K projectors in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We will kick things off today with the Anker Nebula Capsule II, aka the best portable 4K projector on the market in 2021. The device can project an image in 720p resolution, diagonal from 1.5 to 8.2 feet. The built-in battery delivers 2.5 hours of uninterrupted operation with the possibility of charging via the power bank. The color accuracy is boosted by the onboard DLP technology, known for its rich colors and good black performance. Users will be able to enjoy the greater amount of entertainment offered by the implemented Android TV and choose from thousands of movies, series, or games. You can download popular applications such as YouTube, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Twitch, and much more. Also, with the help of Chromecast, users will be able to further expand their capabilities. You can project your favorite content from your Android or iOS phone or from Windows or Mac devices. The Nebula Capsule II Anker comes with voice control capabilities, so you can quickly and easily access your entertainment with Google Assistant. This 4K projector also boasts instant calibration, so the autofocus system analyzes the projection surface, allowing the projector to automatically focus the HD image in less than a second. Compared to the previous model, the Capsule II has up to 50% larger speakers. The larger surface provides deeper bass, and we love it. The Anker Nebula Capsule II portable 4K projector comes in black and has the size of 8.62 by 5.35 by 4.37 inches, as well as a weight of 1.6 pounds. If you're all about portability, this fella is the winning ticket. If you want to get the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Optoma UHD30, the best value 4K projector you can find in the market in 2021. Optoma UHD30's value definitely goes hand in hand with quality and functionality that will satisfy even the most demanding users. While a variety of 4K projectors on the market offer detailed and clear images, the Optoma UHD30 takes things to the next level via the ultra-detail technology, something almost unheard of in this price range. Thanks to the high refresh rate and increased sharpness, the details seem extremely clear, which is especially noticeable in video games. In terms of color and contrast, there is once again nothing to complain about. The projector works in accordance with the HLG and HDR10 standards, which means that the color palette is rich and guarantees an experience comparable to a cinema, no matter what purpose it is used for. The Optoma UHD30 is additionally equipped with proprietary dynamic black technology, which increases the depth and contrast of the image without compromising on details. The lamp in the Optoma UHD30 emits 3400 lumens. That is more than enough for you not to worry about the pale image even in ambient light. Adjusting the image on the Optoma UHD30 is quick and easy. The device has a vertical keystone correction of 40 degrees and a zoom of 1.1 times, which makes image alignment less difficult. The kit includes a remote control that has clearly described buttons, thanks to which the device is ready for operation in an instant. The projector itself is light enough that you can easily carry it from one room to another, or even outdoors, and run it quickly. As for the distance between the projector and the screen, it is no different from the standard. To enjoy a 100-inch image, place it at a distance of about 130 inches. The Optoma UHD30 projector is designed with players in mind and offers a low latency of 16 ms in enhanced gaming mode, which means almost instant response. It's worth adding that you don't have to sacrifice quality to get such a fast response time. Even at the highest resolutions, the delay does not exceed 30 ms. Regarding the refresh rate at 240 Hz, no blurring or image tearing occurs. Also, with as many as 8.3 million different pixels on the screen, users will be able to fully enjoy the experience of quality home cinema. If your image requirements are a bit more specific, we have singled out the BenQ TK850 as the best brightness 4K projector available on the market in 2021. The device has a source of 3000 lumens and is an ideal companion in combination with ALR, ambient light reflection screen. Now let's start with the technology that is at the heart of the TK850. The projector is powered by a second-generation Texas Instruments 0.47-inch DMD XPR chip that specifically addresses the problem of light boundaries that plagued first-generation chips, including the TK800. TK850 also offers a massive upgrade over the first-generation projector by incorporating dynamic iris. This feature is completely unheard of for budget 4K projectors and allows for much deeper blacks than a conventional iris. Support for 10-bit color and HDR10 is of course an integral part of this projector. The device can fill a 150-inch screen at less than 15 feet and can serve as a replacement for the same. And the best part? With the new lens configuration, zoom shift no longer interferes with focus. The 300 thread line is actually similar to most LCD screens and will look more like a real TV. The low input delay and projector latency combined with motion smoothing algorithms make this a great choice for sports fans. The sports mode gives an amazing full TV-like picture of 150 inches with depressing fluidity. It should be noted that the TK850 inserts a ton of brightness into the image and is not really designed for use in a dark room. If you end up buying this and change your mind, BenQ is kind enough to turn on cinema mode, which will kill most of the brightness. Unlike Optoma variants, this projector retains the 3D capability, so if you ever want to get into it, you can buy DLP glasses with an active shutter and throw a party. Good stuff. If you can spend a few extra dollars to afford a top-quality projector, we say check out the Samsung Premier, the best high-end 4K projector that can be found in the market in 2021. We are looking at a 2200 ANSI lumen laser projector that delivers a large image of 120 inches. With streaming applications such as Netflix, Disney Plus, or Amazon Prime, integrated TV tuners, and invisible soundtracks, the 4K HD laser TV with an in-frame budget perfectly replaces the small TV at home. The device utilizes integrated DBV-T2, S2, and CTV tuners that make the separate hardware of the receiver obsolete, and for the first time, managed to reduce the home theater to one device in the living room. Samsung relies on sharp 4K single DLP projection technology with automatic 4K upgrade for Blu-ray, combined with HDR10 and HLG to achieve the highest possible contrast image for movies, series, and games with low input lag and FreeSync VRR technology. The Samsung Premier shines in Rec. 709 color space and 2,000,000:1 contrast for an image on a 1A projector, while the invisible acoustic beam soundtrack in Laser TV ensures the best sound. For maximum brightness of the image in the living room, Samsung relies on a clean, high-performance laser for the Premier LSP7T, which achieves top results with a very long lifespan of more than 20,000 hours and on and off speeds per second like a TV. With streaming apps like Netflix or Amazon Video Prime, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, as well as a permanently integrated TV tuner, you will always get that home theater experience, whether streaming, watching movies, or playing video games on the big screen. Samsung Premier uses the new 0.47-inch KSPR2 projection technology to display a full 8 million pixels, so you can enjoy movies, series, and games in razor-sharp 4K resolution at 1920 by 1080 pixels. As a Premier 4K laser TV, the Samsung Premier LSP7T has a frame rate calculation for sharper motion and smooth projection of movies at 24 frames per second. In the projector menu, you can activate or deactivate Samsung AutoMotion Plus for full HD and 4K content. Setting up a Samsung 4K laser TV is very easy and can be done without any additional tools or modifications. The image is sharp, the durability is high, everything just rocks. If you can afford this fella, we say go for it. And finally, introducing the Epson Home Cinema 3800. We unanimously agreed to award this fellow with the gold medal and the title of overall best 4K projector to be found on the market in 2021. The Epson Home Cinema 3800 has excellent value for money, good service, and great performance, so it's not surprising that this fella is at the top of our list for today. The Epson 3800 4K Pro UHD1 Home Cinema projector provides quality, power, and convenience for an unforgettable home entertainment experience. This 3-chip projector features a powerful 12-bit real-time digital video processor and faithfully reproduces 10-bit high dynamic range content, so you can enjoy a wide range of high-quality content. The product is compatible with virtually all color formats, depths, and spaces. It supports simultaneous 4K HDR content at 60 Hz with support for 18 GB per second HDMI 2.0, and also boasts exceptional brightness, capable of displaying 4K content at 3000 lumens in color as well as white. Furthermore, the high-precision Epson lenses, built-in speakers of 10-volt and wireless Bluetooth connection for external sound systems take the convenience and experience quality to the next level. The advanced 3 LCD technology displays 100% RGB color signals for each frame without any rainbow effects or color brightness issues. One of the main advantages of this device is its brightness. The 3800 home theater, like its competitors, offers a great viewing experience in a room with controlled lighting, but in a room with standard lighting, its performance really shines. Thanks to the massive 3000 lumens, the projected image almost does not lose quality, even in a room with daylight or artificial lighting. As for the speed of refreshing and moving the image, we cannot notice any issues whatsoever. The projector is as powerful as high-end television. A display delay of just 20 milliseconds is a plus that video game fans will love and will help them prevail during online gaming sessions. This model has a quality finish, in line with the brand's reputation. In addition to being very quiet, the maximum projection distance is also important. Increasing to 300 inches, this gives the owners free space. In economy mode, the estimated lamp life is 5,000 hours. This is above average compared to the other projectors. You will get premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.